guys, welcome back to Max's Life. Today we're going to be building Josiyn's bike since you guys all crushed the likes and subscribes on the other wagon build video. So this is our old bike.
Yeah, this is her old bike. So if you see,
Look at the tire.
right there, there's a hole in the tire.
And then
See,
in
look.
the inner tube too.
Look, I can feel the rim when I squish it.
Watch, just leave it, just hold the bike. Just hold it, look how bad that is. Yeah, just pop, like that was a big bump.
This is Joslyn's old bike. But the wood here will be
And we're taking a trip in.
What's your box?
So far, this looks pretty nice. Yeah, we got the plastic right here. This is a nice tire. This is nice. This is like, look how big this tire is.
Hey guys, watch this. Ready? We're talking boxing.
Guys, don't have a lock it. Sasha, we have some fake disc brakes here. They look pretty good.
Alright, we need scissors. Yeah, I got it. I'm a man. No, see, there's it's tied. No, we can't rip the zips. No, dude, stop. Don't cut
Alright, we're cutting it with garden clippers.
So guys, there's
Say hi, Josh. This is what the bike has. Like this. This is what it looks like. It's small. It's not that long. Yeah, it takes like an hour to build. Alright, well, we don't need any instructions, This is a good MDMS. Alright, cut to when we're done reading the instructions. Okay, we don't need instructions. We're just gonna put
Did you unpause it? No, don't. No, this is, I think step one.
Oh wait, we gotta rip these pedals
Okay guys, so at this point in the video, we started coming across some problems a little bit after this point. And comment down below if you guys think I have an 8-pack or a 6-pack. So I had to cut this out because we started arguing, so yeah.
Put at me.
What's
Instructions?
Yeah.
Yeah, the idiot is not doing it right.
We don't need to throw the instructions.
That's what every YouTuber does.
So no one cares.
Then we're
I
gonna get no like
need arguing.
give us millions of likes.
You guys watch this. Ready? See this? Instructions, right?
Yeah, we don't need
shit.
Okay, then they did it.
Guys, stop, stop.
Matt, don't lock these, bro.
What are they?
Dude, how do you unlock it? You pull that
Silence!
What thing?
I'll show you. Just hold the bike up.
What is that?
Oh, squeeze it. So squeeze, pull it this off.
Oh.
Alright. Are you gonna film me or what?
Alright, guys, so
Alright,
watch.
I
First-
tightened one down.
Okay. Oh, wait, no, we don't even need clippers for that. I'm stupid.
Alright, move Joss. Move your... I got it.
Yeah, so
We
first,
gotta put the other pedal on.
we're taking off the cardboard.
Yeah.
Come on.
I
Watch
couldn't
this. Guys, ready? Watch this. Ready? Ready? Listen, ready? ASMR, boys.
I'm putting on the pedals. Now
Okay, listen, ready? Ready?
Alright, show them.
Listen, ready? Ready? Here,
Here,
Henry, hold it. You guys ready?
He'll be okay with it. It's so ready to try this thing.
And we're tightened. Good. Now we gotta get this other one on.
Film me.
Okay, so there we go. Okay, so first, guys, we got. Where's that front wheel? Okay. We're gonna put on this front wheel first. Ooh, there's plastic on the wheels. Ready?
Take the
ready?
plastic off. I'll put the
We
front
ready?
wheel on.
ASMR.
Did you take on the bolt?
This is a nice fresh tire. I know why the back,
ASMR.
I know why the back tire stays on there,
Taking the bolts off?
so they know.
Yeah, boy.
You could put
Where's the wrench at? Oh, it's right next to
Max.
it.
You could put
Well, it's heavy.
Move it.
ASMR. ASMR. Take that. What is that?
You need to take it off to put on the wheel first, I think.
What is it, like a wheel spacer thing, guys? What is that thing? It's a piece of junk.
Okay, we gotta. First, we gotta get the instructions to find out what this is.
That is nothing. That's just a wheel spacer. When I got my new bike and built it when I was little, it was just a wheel spacer.
guys. Look at this nice fresh
Matt, do
tire.
you need it? No.
That's just an ASMR, bro.
Guys, watch this. Ready? Again.
Guys, don't scream at us. Guys, don't scream at us in the comments if this isn't how you build a bike. But
Yeah,
it is.
please don't.
We're doing 5
Yeah,
steps
guys,
in the
definitely
next
don't scream at us in the comments and hit the subscribe button and comment down below if you like my videos.
Alright, give those to me.
I'm wearing my
Does Joslyn
no
want
sandals.
What?
Does Joslyn
Hey, Josh, you want these on
My
your?
new sandals.
You want these on your handlebars?
Yes.
Alright, guys, watch this. Ready? I'm a cheerleader. Go team! So, montage.
Guys, that was really dumb of
So we
Cooper.
take this,
Henry.
and basically,
I'm 12 now.
okay, so what you guys do is watch this. Ready? See these holes?
Next are strawberries.
You basically just shove that in there.
I'm 12.
threes or
I'm filming Max because he's the builder.
What?
Okay.
Can you stop moving so
I'm wearing my shoes. They're 12. Stop moving. I sure got their kids.
These goofies.
I can't even get these pieces on.
Well, don't. Hey, Max, if you destroyed this,
There is no double thumbs up, but yes, if there is, guys, do it.
Alright, so we got these bolts on. Now it's just time to tighten them down.
Yeah, so guys, look, I got one on. See? Whee! Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Okay, time to get the other one on.
There's a sparkle on you.
Well,
Huh? Yeah.
Mommy, did I get some?
Are those mine? Yeah. Okay.
Mom, did I get some?
bro, you got goggles? Yeah! You can bring them to our pool today.
are you guys ready?
Alright, done.
Bro, it's look cool. Imagine if you just put the seat in.
Alright, guys, ready? Watch, ready? It's going to go in 3, 2, there we go.
Do you like
Joslyn,
it?
you like it?
Oh, Joslyn, if you ride very fast, guess what? Those can shake it.
Those handlebars. I gotta put those
You
in.
guys watch this, ready? Handlebars.
Joslyn, do you like your bike?
Next step is to put the handlebars in.
We're doing this without the instructions. I'm actually.
We know how to build a 5-year-old bike, bro.
I want to show you those subscribers of my new shoes. They're my new shoes. They are sandals, but from 11s, I should have got 13s. And these are 12.
Give me a screwdriver, Max.
Oh, that looks sick.
Well, somebody hold the tire straight. Alright, we're putting on the handlebars. I did something dumb.
Insane.
I didn't adjust the tire thing perfectly.
Yeah, so. But this is one. Guys, I'm getting a dirt bike helmet and we might make an unboxing video, but it's probably going to be just a short because all you do is just take it out of the box or
Maybe
package.
it'll be like a 5-minute video.
Yeah, 5 minutes could be just. Bro, Max, are you doing that on purpose?
This go?
And guys, I was definitely not making that up.
Good. Alright, bounce test. Wait, they have no air in the tires. Who cares? Okay, ready?
Yeah, that's
They do
right.
have
Who
alien
cares?
tires.
No, they don't.
See, they perfect.
Kinda.
Yeah, but she can ride with no.
Oh, I need playing.
Okay, so okay, fine. We'll put on the training wheels. Take off the plastic off of that tire, bro.
Pause it.
Yeah, so
Handlebars.
so we forgot to take the plastic off of this tire. So
Or we can just burn it off.
We can just.
apparently, I don't know how to do this basket.
I'll help in a second. We don't need instructions. I thought we threw those away already.
No, we threw them, but we didn't
Boom. Oh, we got the seat on. Joslyn, you're gonna test the seat. So let's go get Joslyn and come here. We need to test something.
Stop farting, Henry's the cameraman.
So yeah, we need the brake.
Cameraman's farting.
What are these?
Joslyn, come here. You have to try something. You need to try the seat, see if it's high or too low or too.
Where's the basket?
Okay, now yeah, Max is putting it on. Joslyn, try it.
Okay, I need my mom helping.
No, you're not riding it. You're just giving it a seat. Okay.
Alright, we got a new tool unlocked, guys. Some pliers for the seat down here.
No, yeah.
This is the fishing pole.
Okay, these grip on so that way
Yum, yum,
you're
yum.
able to do what I'm doing right now.
Oh my god, that's not good.
So we need the pad.
There's something that's not good.
What?
Um,
Where's the pad? We need the pad.
this is way too far out. It could actually come out.
What?
Okay,
This.
now
No,
we need to
it's not.
set it.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Or is it just made that
I'm
way?
just gonna set
It's
it
just
right.
made that way.
I'm just gonna set it right here. Now we're gonna do. Oh shoot, that was not a good idea. It needs to be tighter.
Cameraman.
It still needs to be tighter, I guess.
I got this.
Yeah, so where's the pad? We need the pad. Where's the pad for it, boys?
Yeah, ever.
This is not for you.
Whoa, I need one of these books. This is
Give
like the
somebody likes.
Why do you need one of these lights? Where is my pliers? Oh, here they are.
Silas, stop.
Stop!
You need definitely edit that.
We're not. Right, Matt?
Okay, and let's get this.
Matt, what are these for?
Those?
Joslyn, come and try this seat.
Now it's time to drill this thing.
Josh, come here.
Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna take it for a ride.
No, Joslyn needs to feel the seat.
Why do we? I think it's done.
Joslyn, try sitting
Oh
on
wait,
it.
we forgot to put on the fake disc brakes.
What are those for? Where do they go?
Joslyn, come on this side and try.
No, it doesn't say
Sitting.
they're on. Oh wait, we can put them right here. No. Stop, you ruined it.
Okay.
Joslyn, come and try sitting on it.
The back tire wasn't even on. Right. The back tire wasn't even tightened. I thought I was about to take it for a ride and the back tire wasn't even.
No, we need the basket, bro.
I know.
Where is the basket on this?
Then after
Pause
my
it. Bad news, guys. I think we need to take this
He didn't unpause
this
it.
thing. Is it on pause?
I'm putting basket.
No, you can't.
Alright, so we need to take this chain guard off, I think, now. Just to tighten this bolt.
Mine is broken. My thing is literally like.
Alright.
Max, this is what happens when you don't follow directions first.
It's fine
I literally.
Do you want to use the instructions so we can actually build it correctly?
Josh, we don't need the.
Who votes we use instructions?
Not me.
Yes.
Raise your hand if you
Turn the
want to
flash
use
off.
instructions.
How?
Actually, me too. We all want to hear that.
Yeah. It's a 3-on-2. We're using instructions, Max.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. Alright, so now that we have this. What?
We're using instructions. It was a 3-on-2.
I don't care.
What?
I don't really care.
Dude, I don't care if there's any use.
Okay, we almost got.
Do not edit this video.
Silence.
So many likes.
Silence. We're not deleting it. We're just adding it. You plotting it up.
Yes, you can hold it.
Also, we're editing you guys and not using the instructions.
We're not editing. We're editing.
We're using the instructions, Max.
No, no.
That is not a piece of the bike. What are all these screws for?
What?
What are all these screws for?
Dude. Exactly.
We got most of this.
Bring
done.
me the bike.
The bike is basically done. We just need the basket, right?
Yeah, no.
Here.
Give me the screwdriver, the wrench, and the pliers.
I can't wait to see my new bed.
No training wheels, right, Josh?
Yes. Now,
So how much what are you doing?
we're not putting train wheels.
They're
on.
tightened. I already did it. Nothing in it.
Yeah.
There's nothing in it.
Do you guys see anything under there? Because I don't. Oh, you're right. Right there.
Yeah.
You did
Right there.
it.
Pieces back there in the car.
Get off camera. We found screw holes.
That's gonna be
Right there and right there. Okay, we have one screw in there.
For when we build it or burn.
Cooper's putting the other screw in on this side. Sorry to interrupt today's video, but today's video is sponsored by eBay Motors. You can get the perfect parts at any time you want. So go check out their website and yeah, go check it out in the link down below. And yeah, and back to the video. Back to the vlog. There's like screws. This bike is just a pain in the butt. It's missing parts, and it was never a complete bike. It was returned before.
Yeah, and they need to check. Like, they need to get the
this bike was
pieces.
returned before?
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, they need to get the pieces that they're missing back in. They need to check if there's any missing pieces, and then they put those. Oh wait, we don't even need that because the basket's covering it.
So you don't need that.
Yeah, we don't need that. Yeah, so this.
Tell them what you said off camera.
So well, I forgot.
In Canada.
We don't need it. No.
Canadian.
No,
What he was trying to say is in Canada.
$1 here is $1.35 for them. I'm pretty sure. Or $1 there is $1.35 for us. Either one.
I don't know, because it's just really getting really expensive, so we just pulled up to start talking about that. My videos are starting to get really expensive now.
Ross, these are heavy. How heavy?
Here, go put that.
That feel how heavy these are. Feel how
They're not even
Oh,
heavy.
wait.
That's not
I
heavy.
need that.
It's like the heaviest train wheel. Don't break them.
They're not gonna break.
Yeah, these are the heaviest.
I need the
Wrench.
I need the wrench. Give me the training wheels.
Go up. Yeah, right there. No, yeah, right there should be good. Right there. Oh my god, I almost fell.
What noises? explosion noises.
So Silas, so look, tighten it.
And by the way, guys, I'm helping him out a lot.
A lot,
But I'm a pretty good bike builder.
yeah.
Right?
So look, we need the.
That's fine.
Boing.
I'm making it non-crooked.
Yes, no.
Yeah.
That should be good. Jaws doesn't need it really high.
And we got it. So here it is. So
Oh my God!
someone go get Joslyn. We're gonna surprise her with
Comment down below if that guy's stupid. Parked in the middle of the road. Junk. Bye, junk. I'm gonna test it a little bit.
I want to test
That's
it.
good.
Test it a little more.
Yeah, Silas.
You gotta pump the tires up, you dum dum.
Wait, we need to go pump the tires up.
But we're gonna pump the tires up because, as you can see, look at this.
Here, I got you. All right, guys, I'm filming now. See, I'm filming. So,
This is gonna be so much easier to pump the